What's up, traders? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be revealing the secret I used to turn $10 to $100 shorting newly listed coins. So for proof, the remaining balance on this account is $53, and then I want to show you guys how much I withdrew. 45 USDT withdrawn successfully, and then 2 USDT I used it as a gas fee for some projects on the crypto space. So guys, having done that, let me close this back. Let me just hide it back. So MEXC has proven to be one of the profitable crypto apps over the months and years of using it, because unlike Bybit and Binance, it shows you coins that would list. If you had done airdrops and then you didn't qualify for some reason or the other, MEXC got you, because it provides this perpetual option where you get either long or short newly listed coins. And for an airdrop that has lasted for months or probably years, you would expect that once it launches, people would sell off immediately. So MEXC is one of the coolest apps to have. So in case you don't have it yet, I'll drop a link in the description below. Make sure to grab it ASAP. So I want to show you guys something. First off, the first thing you need to know is you just need to get a notification that yes, these coins are about to get listed. For instance, this Play USDT, it will be listing in an hour 23 minutes from now. So I'll also be making cool profits from this trade as well, and then I'll show you guys how. So the first thing, you click on info. Once you click on the particular token, click on info. In my fundamental analysis video, I told you guys what to watch out for: the circulating supply, the maximum supply, the official website, the white paper, and everything. So all those things play hand in hand when it comes to the trader's behavior in this particular listing. Now, what do I mean? For instance, this particular token, let me show you guys something. This particular token, this IKA USDT, if not for the fundamental analysis that I did on this token, I would have lost a lot of money, because this token happens to be on the Sui blockchain, and the BSC blockchain and the Ethereum blockchain, I think they are overbought already. So people are looking for new blockchain to invest in. So the Sui blockchain, this made this token, despite the dip, as you can see this place, despite this dip here, it's still going up. Like, this token has been listed, it was listed I think 3 days ago or so. Yes, 3 days ago. Despite that, it's still going up because it was listed on the Sui blockchain. So the first thing to watch out for is the information. The second thing is the blockchain. If it's a new blockchain like Sui, let's say Polygon Matic, Near, all these little blockchains that has not yet gotten to the level of Bitcoin or Ethereum, you should be very careful trading them. And how would you be careful? When this coin listed, it's listed at this particular point at 0.03447. Now what really happened here is it tanked down to 0.02587. Now some persons would have been that, oh, I've missed this opportunity to enter, but you need to take note of something. For the fact that it tanked down does not mean that it won't go up again. It tanked down because people did initial sell-offs. You get people that have been holding for years, or investors that just wanted to pull out their money and then put in back again. That's what happened. When the thing tanked down, the thing went up more than the previous price. So if you had ordered a short position at this B here, you would have been in loss, because your money would have been liquidated immediately, unless you use a very low leverage, of which I explained in my last video. So the first thing to do is, once you see this bullish engulfing candle dropping down, just wait for it to drop down fully, and then the bullish engulfing candle will drop down, And then this second candle, it will also be a bullish candle, but when you know when to enter is when the wick becomes longer and then it turns to a hammer candle. If you should watch it where it looks like a hammer, you get. So when it turns to a hammer candle, that's when you should enter. When this wick, when it goes up to this point and then you're seeing this long wick beginning to form, you enter immediately and then you take profit somewhere at this lowest place, either here or you take it at this last place. Let me show you another example again. Gaia USDT, so you can see this one as well. This bullish engulfing candle formed, investors pushed it down, then it came up again and then it formed a hammer candle while coming down. When I saw this hammer wick here, I immediately entered. Immediately, and then the sell-off was crazy. Even if this third candle here that wanted to form, sellers couldn't let it form because everybody wanted to sell. I checked for their circulating supply, it was just 170 million, which is a very good scarce token and everything, but you need to check the use cases as well. What would this token solve? All those things. And then let me also show you on the example, the Unite USDT. If you can observe something, you see that all these things have the same pattern. This one, it went up before, it was a bullish engulfing candle before, but people pushed it down, and then when I saw this long wick, I entered immediately and then I cashed out at this point, the lowest point. I went out of the market. The same thing for this last guy. See this one really is one of the most profitable trade I've ever taken since this newly listed coins. I just saw this week immediately and I entered with, I think, 20x leverage, I'll be 10x leverage, yeah. And then I cashed out immediately. I went out at this point because I just couldn't wait, because the market can be volatile. You need to have a very good risk management as well, because don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, because it's not every time that these coins will hit your take profit. So when you see a good amount of profit, you go out because of its volatility. I hope this video blessed you and I hope you learned a lot from this video. So make sure to like and subscribe and follow me for more videos, and comment in the comment section if you truly understand. If you don't, ask me your questions there. I would respond immediately. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.